Hello everybody, in this tutorial we'll demonstrate how to type Nubian on your iPhone or other iOS device. The first thing you want to do is open the App Store and type Keyman into the search bar. Go ahead and download the app. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it. And then you'll get this prompt. You can choose to never have a show again. Doesn't really matter. What's important is that you add a keyboard for your language. To do this, go ahead and tap the three dots in the top right hand corner, then go to Settings, Install Languages, then hit the plus icon to add a language. Type Nubian into the search bar, and then click on this first link here, Nubian SIL Keyman Keyboard. Tap Install Keyboard, and then once it's downloaded, a screen like this will show up. Just hit Next. Then it'll ask you to pick your preferred Nubian language. It's the same keyboard no matter what, so pick whatever you like. After that, tap Install, and then Done, and then you should be able to start typing in Nubian right away. If you want to be able to type in Nubian outside this app, go over to your Settings, then Keyboard Settings. Then tap Keyboards. And then tap on Keyman and allow full access. After that, you can tap and hold the spacebar to switch languages, and start typing in Nubian wherever you like. Thanks for watching, hope that helps.